In this video, I document my attempt to install the SmartNet Smart Deadbolt Lock. I bought it on Amazon for $79.99, less 20% instant discount coupon. So I end up paying less than $62. It features voice menu, auto lock, IP63 waterproof rating. It can store up to 90 plus fingerprints, 200 plus passcodes, and 1000 plus key fobs. It does not have Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, so no phone, no app. Programming is done directly using the touchscreen keypad. So this is the package that I received. Open this box and you actually have the user menu, template for drilling holes, and you have the accessories, two key cards and screws, and the metal plate. Physical keys, and the internal part. The back part with the battery holder and the cover. That metal plate. And the front part. There's a cover. So it's supposed to go together something like this. Yeah. So it's supposed to go together, something like that, with the door in between. As you can see, this is the Hornbill smart door lock that I bought previously on Amazon, and I have made a video on how I install it, so you may want to check that one out. Now it's time to remove the old deadbolt, and I have already taken off the 2 screws. I'm going to remove this screw here. There should be 2 of them, 2 screws. The 2 screws. Now for the new deadbolt smart door lock. So insert this in like so, the outer part like so. As you can see, all the stud went through the hole. For the back plate, this wire here goes through the oval slot like so, and then hook it up to here. Remove the battery plate, but before you put the back on, you need to secure this plate to the front part. Use the 3 longest screws given. So put the other one on. Try to secure the plate. Actually, I only need 2 bolts here. There's no place for the 3rd bolt up here, so I'll just tighten these down. You need to plug in the wire, this wire to that. The wire is short, so it's gonna be a little tricky. Make sure that you don't damage it. And now use the 3 solder screws to secure this back part. There's 1, 2, and the lower hole 3. 2 more screws. After it's installed, it looks something like that. But I do have an issue here. As you can see, the original hole on the door is slightly smaller. You can see the gap right there. The hole on the door is actually smaller than the new lock. So that's the first issue. And the second issue is, as you can see, there's very little gap between the new deadbolt and the smart door lock that I installed previously. I need the space to access the lower door lock. There's a keyhole here for the physical key that I need to have access to, and also for the new deadbolt door lock, there's a USB port down here for emergency use when it's out of battery. You can use the external battery to plug it in here to power it up. So 2 big issues, and I don't want to widen that hole. I don't want to have to modify the original hole. So too bad. I like this lock a lot, but I'm not gonna be able to use it. I would have to return it. That's too bad. So now off it goes. Too bad. Off it go. One note that this wire plug is very rigid, and it has the tendency to break apart or come apart, which happened to me before. And So it would be nice if this thing is slightly longer and probably more flexible here. That would help. So when you install this, you have to be very careful with this electrical plug. Oh, another note, when you install it, make sure that you turn this thing vertical before I pack it up and return this thing, which is kind of sad because this is a very good price, good deal, and it looks like it's a very decent product. I want to be able to use it. I want to show you if once everything is hooked up. So this is how it looks. I haven't set up anything yet, so there's the fingerprint. So that's how it goes. There's a physical lock access. Now let's pack it up and return it. Now let's put this thing back on. Okay, now I'm ready to return this thing.